This tutorial will guide you how to link data in your eFootball 2026 mobile. Now, you should have to follow the instructions very carefully. Now, once you launch the game, just on the home screen here, select on Extras. Now, on the Extras, select here on Support. Now, on the Support, you'll see an option Link Data. They say link your data here. So, click on Link Data. Now, they say here you can link your current saved data. By linking your data, you will be able to continue playing on that account even if you switch devices at a later date. So click OK. Now you have two options here. You can either link using Google Play or link using Konami ID. So depending on your device on how easily it is to link. So I'm going to select here link using Google Play. Now they say you cannot link data, it's already linked with another ID. So what you need to do, you have to just link using Konami ID. So just select link Konami ID. Now it will open an external browser if you're using Konami. So wait for the link to load. Now they come here, they say please confirm the following before proceeding. So just click proceed. Now they say here register email address and password as a new user, or you can choose users who registered their email address with another Konami app, users with a Konami ID. So I'm going to select register email address and password as a new user. Now I'm going to choose my country or region, choose the language, date of birth. I'm going to type the date of birth here. Now scroll down, put your email address. If you're having trouble making a password of alphanumeric characters of 10 to 32 characters in length, you can just ask ChatGPT to suggest you. So if you go to your browser and type for ChatGPT, then just type here, help me. Generate, and then paste this. Then click send. So you'll get the list of passwords that you can copy and use them on your game or of this Konami. So I'm going to use this password which I've asked the ChatGPT. Now type the email address. Then click next. Now you must agree to the privacy notice. Then click agree. Now they say here, please enter a confirmation code 6 digits which is sent to your registered email address. Now go to your email address and enter these 6 digits codes. Click next. Now click accept the terms, then also click this to agree to their privacy policy and then click accept. So if I go to extras, then select support, and then select link data, and then click OK, you can see my Konami ID is now linked. Even if I change device, I'll be able to log in again using the link data for Konami ID on another device without losing my data. Thank you so much for watching this video and see you next time.